Okay, thank you, Teacher Shang. Yeah, so today we are going to start our class for now. So before that, let me do some self-introduction. So I'm Teacher Zoe. So you can call me Zoe 老师 or Teacher Zoe or Fu 老师. Fu is my surname. Okay, so it can be anything. Just Zoe 老师 or Fu 老师 or Teacher Zoe. Okay. So just would like to tell you that I'm graduated from Xiamen University, Malaysia, which is located at Sepang. So if you like to visit this campus, I think you are very welcome. So this one is the the plan for the Xiamen University, Malaysia, and then still in development, but like almost done. Yeah, so this one, if you are interested, then you can try to join this one. And then the course that I took is the Bachelor of Arts in Chinese Studies. So let us try to learn the Mandarin together. Okay, so today, yeah, so
所以老师你可以 enlarge 它咯
yeah, okay, yeah, okay. So if I talk too much, you can just tell me. Okay, and then I wish that we have more interactions because like learning a new language, we need to try to talk more and speak it. Okay, so other than just type in the chat box, so I will appreciate if you can answer me in the class. Okay.
we allow you to unmute yourself.
Yep. Okay, so these are the 10 topics that we'll go through these 10 weeks. And then for today, we're talking about this Pinyin. Okay, so this Pinyin system is, okay, so we can look at this one. What is Pinyin actually? Pinyin, if you can see, okay, so Pinyin is this. This is the Pinyin. And then you can see we have the tone marking over here. Okay, so this one is the Pinyin system we are going to use. This one, Pinyin system is, you can use it in China and like the Asian country. Okay, just the for the Taiwan will be special a bit. Okay, Taiwan use another system. Okay, so this one, okay, so we are going to learn about, okay, what is Pinyin. So we have a little briefly know this Pinyin briefly. Okay, so can anyone try to like read this Pinyin? Right, try to read this one.
한유 Pinyin.
Very good, very good. Good try, good try. Okay, Hanyu Pinyin, very good. Okay, so this one. Okay, so what is Hanyu and what is Pinyin? Okay, so Hanyu is actually the language that we are learning now, which is the Chinese language. And for the Pinyin, Pin is like actually to spell. Okay, and then in is the tone in the order sound. Okay, so this one will be Hanyu Pinyin. Okay. So this one is actually can help us because other than if we don't have the pinyin system, we can only like try to learn it from this character, which is very hard for the beginners. Okay, so this one is the Hanyu Pinyin can help us to know how to pronounce this Chinese character. Okay, and then and then we will suggest the student to try to learn the Chinese character as well, because sometimes we will notice that this character, I mean this pinyin can be many things. Okay, so that's why we recommend you to learn the Chinese character. Okay, and then this one, after today's class, I hope that we can try to type Chinese character in the chat. Okay, we hope that we can try to write the Chinese character. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the Chinese syllables. Okay, so the Chinese syllables we compose of the initial, final, and the tone. Okay, so this one initial, 声母, and then 韵母, final, and then the tone. Okay, so this one, okay, these three adding together and then it become a syllable. Okay, so for example, okay, so this one is the initial. The T is the initial, and then so the 韵母, this final is like the vowel. Okay, so this one is A. A is the vowel. I mean the final, and then the tone. So we have 4 tone. Okay, we have 4 tone, and then another one is like neutral tone. Okay, so can you tell me in this one, okay, in this word, for this word, okay, what is the initial? What is the initial for this word? Okay, you can also type in the chat. Do you have any idea? Okay. W, very good. And then how about the vowel, the final? Okay, good. Good. Okay, and then for the tone will be right, this one. Okay, so this one later we'll learn. We'll also go through this one. Okay, thank you for your response. Okay, so we will continue with this one. Yeah, correct. Yeah, I met you today. Okay, so only usually, okay, one syllable, okay, is made up from an initial, a final, and a tone. Okay, so but we also have some exception for this R thing. This one is the row tongue. Okay, this one is the exception. Okay, and then we can, if a word can not have the initial, just like only the yes, but we need to have the final and the tone. Okay, yeah. So let us try to look at, okay, what is the initial? We only have 21 initials, and then we only have 38 finals, but what makes it become complicated a bit will be the tones. Okay, so we have 4 tones here. So let us look at the initial first. Okay, so I will read it once, later we'll try to speak it together. We'll try to practice it together. Okay, so this one is 波 坡 摸 佛 的 特 呢 了 个 可 和 ji qi xi zi ci si zhi shi shi ri. Okay, so you might find out that this B and this P is a little bit similar. So this B and P, what is their difference? Will be this one, aspiration consonant. So what is actually aspiration consonant? So this one, maybe later you can unmute yourself, then let us try it together. Okay, so this one is the aspiration consonant. We call it as 送气. Okay, so for example, this one is the B, and then this one is the P. So how are we going to make this voice? It's like when we want to do the P, we first stop it first. We stop it. We don't just the B sound, then we stop it, and then we try to burst it out. So this one will be 波, this one will be 坡. Okay, so let us unmute ourselves and then try to read 波 first, and then we try 坡. Okay, let us try with this one. 波.
Oh.
And this one will be
坡
坡. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, again, 波 and 坡. Very good. Okay, and then this one is more for, okay, this one the and the is same with this po and po. So this one will be, D will be like this one, and then this one T will be like burst it out. Okay, so let us try the and the. Okay, very good. Okay, the and the. Then let us try with this one also, ke and ke.
Ke and ke.
Okay, so let us try this again. Ge, G, ge,
Ke.
ge. Okay, ke.
Ke.
Very good. Okay, ge and ke. And then this one, okay, this one, ji and qi. Okay, ji and qi. Okay, ji and qi. Okay, this one will be complicated a bit. So this one I will show you how are we going to use our tongue, okay, to pronounce this. Okay, this initial. Okay, this one. Okay, so let us try to read this until H together. Okay, so the first one is 波
坡
坡
坡
摸
摸
佛
佛
的
的
特
的
呢
呢
了
了
个
ke
this one G is like softer a bit, 个
ke
科
Ke.
and then 和
ke.
Okay, very good. So let us try to learn how to speak this G, Qi, C. Okay, so this one we need a little bit of our imagination. So this one, okay, so this G, Qi, C, how are we going to pronounce this one? So this one, for example, this one, my palm is the tongue, okay? So for here, we need to use here. So the surface of our tongue over here. Okay, and then so J will pronounce as G.
G.
Okay,
G.
and then correct, very good. And then Q will be like burst it out, Qi.
Chi.
Very good. And
Chi.
then yeah, okay, and then X will be like float like flows it above like Xi.
Chi.
Very good. So let us try it again. Ji, Qi, Xi,
G. Chi.
Qi, Xi. Okay, very good. Ji, Qi, Xi. Okay, and then the next we will try. Okay, so do you have any question with this one? With the Ji, Qi, Xi, can you pronounce it?
G. Chi. Chi.
Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, so like the others, do we have question with this one? Do you have question with this one? Ji, Qi, Xi. The pronunciation? Hot? No, it's too hard. Qi and Xi sounds pretty similar. Okay, actually, okay, so this one is how we're going to. Okay, so yeah, so let's okay. Yeah, Nadia, can you try to unmute and then let me hear if is it correct?
The G,
Ah.
Q, and X.
G, Q, and X. Yes.
Okay. G.
Correct.
And then Q, I forgot how to pronounce that. And then X, I think she.
Very good. Yeah. Ji,
Q.
Qi,
Okay. G, she,
Qi, Xi.
she.
Okay.
Okay.
So this one you don't use like your throat there to pronounce. This one we just use our tongue. So this one is like ji, qi, and then xi. Can you try it again?
Okay. G,
qi.
she,
Okay, and
she.
xi. Okay. Okay, good. Correct, very good. Okay, so for version, your okay, quite similar. Qi and xi. So qi will be like you have more, you burst the air more. So this one will be qi. This one will be xi. Okay, so Virushan, can you try to pronounce this one?
Oh, hello, you can hear me?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So okay, let me try. Okay, so chi,
Okay, good.
shi, and then xi, right?
Okay, so can you try again? Ji, qi, xi.
Okay.
Start from this one first.
Okay, okay, ji,
Correct.
chi.
This one chi will be ch. This one we will talk about later. So this one is qi.
Qi,
Correct. And then xi.
xi, like sh.
Sh will be another one.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So maybe later we like try. So this one ji, qi, xi.
Ji.
Qi. So you can see this here over here. Okay. So ji will be like this one. So this one is like our tongue not touching the hard pellets first. Okay. So like a little bit space over here. So this one is qi and xi. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Can you like try again with qi and xi?
Xi and then she.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you. Okay. So now after we done the ji, qi, xi, now we will like try again with this one, zi, ci, si. So how are we going to pronounce this? Zi, ci, si will be like this one. This one is our tongue, so we use the tip of our tongue. Okay. So let us try this one. Zi, zi. Okay. Good and very good. And then si, ci.
Su.
Okay. And then s, si. Okay. Zi, ci, si. So do you have question with this one? Zi, ci, si. I think this one will be easier than ji, qi, xi. Is it?
Jesus.
Zi, ci, si. Yeah, to be honest, yes. Yes, correct. So I think so let us try it once more and then we move to the upgrade version. Okay, so this one is zi, ci,
Su.
and si.
Su.
Okay, good. All right, so we will upgrade this a bit. So this one is still the same, but we will like turn our tongue, roll our tongue a bit. So this one So from 子, right, then we become 知. So let us try 子 and 知. This one will be harder a bit. Okay, 子 and then 知.
吃
And then 子 and 知.
吃
知. Okay. Something do we have to learn? We have to learn how to write languages. Okay, later I will answer your question. Okay, thank you. So this one is 子 and 知. Okay, and then this one, let us try 吃 and 吃. So 吃 will be like this one, and then 吃 will be like roll out a bit. Okay, 吃 and 吃.
吃吃 and 吃
Okay, 吃 and 吃. So one is like the tip of our tongue, and then one is roll up. Okay, 吃 and 吃.
吃
吃 and 吃. Okay,
吃
so and then this one 吃.
吃
Okay, good. Okay, so one is S without the H. So when you see the H, you need to know that it's a roll tongue. Okay, so this one is 吃. Okay, and then this one R is just like roll our tongue up, and then do r. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, so
Wait, teacher, I have a question. When you're
Yep.
saying like the ah, is it like you're pulling back your tongue? So it's like it's like you're pulling back.
yeah, we're pulling backward.
So
So it's
like,
like
so instead of saying it's like it's like you're stopping yourself a bit there.
yeah, correct.
Oh, okay.
Correct. Okay, so now we are already done for the initial. Now we are talking about the finals. Okay, finals. Final is more like the vowel. Okay, so let us try with this one. So this one A, how we're going to pronounce this one? A is a. This one O,
o
e,
e
I,
i
U,
u
U.
ju
Okay, I,
I
A.
a
Okay, so can you complete this one?
how
Ow, correct. O,
o
this one is okay, okay, this one. An,
an
un. This one E will more like so this one will be un. Okay, un. Okay, this one in. Okay, ang.
hưng
This one is ang.
hằng
Ung,
hưng
in,
in hong
ong. Good. This one. This one I and A. This one I sometimes this one will like refers to Y. So this one is like yeah.
yeah
Okay, this one yeah.
yeah
Okay, good. Yao. This one you. Good.
you
Okay. This one.
wa
Yeah, correct. So when you see you, this one is like two, like more like W. So this one is wa. This one
wo
wa.
y
Y.
huy
Wei. Wun.
hun
Yen.
en huan
One.
hiang
Yang. Okay. Yong.
yong
Yuang. Sorry,
Wang.
this one is Wang.
Wang.
Weng.
Wang
This one.
hui
This one is little bit. This one is still remember how to like pronounce this one. This one is U, so this one is Yu. So
Yu.
Yu plus E will be like Yue. Okay, sure. So okay, we complete this one and then we go to the one. Okay, so this one is Yue,
yuan
and then Yuan,
yuan
and then
Yun.
Yun. Okay, Yun. Okay, so let us try with this again. This one IAN. How to pronounce this one?
yen
Yen. Okay, so when you see I, this one is more like you have a Y here. Yen. This one.
Yen. One
Yang.
yang
Yong. Wang.
wang
Weng.
wong
Okay, this one. Yue.
ye
Yuan.
yuan
And Yun.
yun
So do you have a question for this one?
No, teacher.
Can
Okay.
you repeat the pronouns?
All together?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so let us try. Okay, let's try. Okay, so this one is
Ha,
o
o, i,
this one e is more like and then I is like e.
i,
E. Okay, and then u,
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 ju,
I,
ai,
a,
ơi,
ao,
au,
o,
au,
r, an,
han,
an,
hân,
in,
in,
ang,
hăng,
ưng,
ưng,
in,
in,
ong.
ong,
This one, ya,
ya,
yeah. This
dơ,
one, yeah. This one is more like
yeah.
yeah. Yeah, good. This one, yao,
Dâu,
yo,
yu,
okay.
vợ,
Wa,
wo,
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 wai,
quay,
we, we, okay. Can
hun,
un,
yên,
yen,
quan,
one,
yang, yong,
yong,
quang,
wang,
wing,
wang. This one
Wang.
is wang, wang.
Wang.
Eng is always like okay. Okay. Yue,
yue,
yuan,
yue,
and then yun.
yun,
Okay. So okay. So we'll move on. Yeah. So this one is this one I was saying to you. This one because I thought we have matters for this one, but no, you all like did it very well. So yeah, this one is e, u, and then yu. Okay. So this one. Okay. So I'll answer Daniel's question first. Yeah. So you have to learn how to write the pinyin. Yeah. Not really, but sometimes when you learn some new words, then you can know how to pronounce this one. So it's better if you can write the pinyin down, and it is better, even better, if you can try to write the Chinese character. Okay, so this one, how to pronounce this one?
hiu,
You with the two dot. This one will be like yu.
hiu,
You. Okay. You. Okay. Okay. So this one, whenever we see this one, 机器 CU. Okay. Whenever we see this 机器 CU. Okay. So after this 机器 CU, okay, the U, okay, is always like this one. It's always be this one. Will always be this one. Okay. So it's like, for example, okay, this one. This one, we cannot pronounce this as Ju. We cannot pronounce this as Ju. Why? Because if we pronounce this as Ju, then we become ZHU. So this one, we only can pronounce this one as G. G. And then this one, Chi. Okay, this one is Shi. And this one is Yu. Okay, so we have question for this one. Ji, Qi, Xi, Yu. So this one, just the rules that you can remember. So after Ji, Qi, Xi, Yu, okay, Ji, Qi, Xi, Yu, this one, always this one. So it's this one. Okay, so if you want to type this pinyin in the keyboard, right? So we replace, because U, we're using U as U, right? So for this Yu, you can like type it using like they will replace this as we in the keyboard. So if you want to type it, this one you can try to use this view. Okay. Okay, so let us try. Okay, so this one I think I will like read it for you because yeah. Okay, so this one is B and then A, they will become ba, pa, ma, fa, wo, huo, mo, for. Okay, so this one is just the initial and then plus the final. Okay, the, th, n, l, di, ti, ni, li, bu, pu, mu, fu. Okay, so this one will be harder a bit. So let us try it together. How to pronounce this one?
new,
Good try. Okay, new. Okay, so this one will be more like nu. Nu. Okay, this one, how about this one?
liu,
Lu. Okay. Okay. And then this one will be sorry. So this one will be compound, meaning that you are not only have only one initial final. So then we have two or more. Okay, so this one, how to pronounce this one?
Cây.
Okay, gai, gay,
Gì.
gao,
Gấu.
câu,
Cú.
khoa, khoai,
Khoai.
khuy.
Khuy.
And then
Lai.
lai, lia,
Lia.
nhau,
Nhau.
nhu.
Nhiêu.
And this one?
Nhiều.
Nue, nue. Okay, nue. This one will be harder a bit, okay? Nue. Okay. And then this one. Okay, so I think this one will not be our trouble. So this one is pan, and then this one will be pang. Okay, A-N-G. And then let us try with, okay, pen, peng, tong, tong, min, ming, luan, nuan.
Luan.
And then let us try with this one.
Chanh. Choang.
Jiang, jiang, very good, jiang. So this one you need to remember, this one is like J-Y-A-N-G. So this one will be like jiang,
Chang.
jiang. Okay, this one will be
Chuang.
shuang, very good, shuang. Okay, so I think, yeah, so let us try to just pick some, then we try how to pronounce this one. So something that we always make mistake, which is this one. How to pronounce this one? Z-I.
Z.
Z. If we say Z, then will be like more like G, more like J. So this one is like Z. This one, the I will be like more. So this one will be Z.
Z.
Okay, C.
Z.
And then S. How about Z-H-I?
Z.
Z. Zhi. Remember, so for this one, the I for this one is more like more than E. Okay, so this one zhi,
Ch.
shi,
Ch.
shi,
Ch.
and then R.
R.
Okay, and then we try with this one.
Chu.
This one will be more like jue. Then Q, xue. And then X will be xue.
Xue.
So let us try with this one. ZH, this one. These three.
Chuang. Chuang.
Zhuang, chuang,
Chuang. Chuang.
shuang. Very good. Shuang. And then let us try with this one. This one. Z-U.
Chao.
Zhou. Then C.
Chao.
Tou. Okay, and then this one. So.
Chao.
I think this one will not be. So do you have any? Let us try this one first lah. This one. P-I-E.
P. Oh.
Then P-I-E will be Pie. So it's like E. Then we plus the initial, so it become Pie. Okay. So do you anyone have problem with the question with this one? Or like something that you don't really know how to pronounce this one, then we will try it together. Do you hear? Like, do you have any question? How to this one you don't have to remember all this. This one is just like the pronunciation practice. And then like when you start the class, then we like try to learn, like for example this one, ni hao. Okay, ni hao. Ni hao. This one you just need to know how to pronounce this one. So this one is just the pronunciation practice. You don't have to memorize all the thing. Okay. Okay. And then you just need to know how to pronounce for this one. And then now we're like talking of, like we already done this one. Okay, the initial and the final. So this one will be a tough a bit. So this one you need to do many practices for the four tones. Okay, so what is the four tones? So this one, the first tone will be high and flat. Okay, so for example, we use ma as the example. So this one will be the first tone will be like high and flat. This one, I hope that everyone can try to unmute yourself. Then we try it together. Okay, so this one, ma will be ma. Ma. Okay, good. Ma. Okay, so the second tone will be like going up. So this one will be ma. Okay, good. Ma. Okay, and then the third tone will be ma. Okay, ma. So we go down first and then we go up. Okay, so this ma. Okay, ma. And then the
Ma.
fourth one will be ma.
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 Okay, so let us try together like ma together. Okay, so let us try with, okay, anyone want to like try this one with the fourth tone?
Which one?
All four, like start from this one, like
Okay.
first, second, third.
Okay. Ma. 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 Ma.
Okay, so this one you need to like, this one the first one will be very high and flat, so this one will be ma ma
Ma.
ma
Ma.
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 Okay, so this one will be like short a bit, ma. So ma 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 ma. Okay, so this one will be harder a bit to catch up, so this one we need to like listen more and then we do more practices. Later I'll send you a link, then you can try it at home. So this one, yeah, so this one will be must be very careful, because if we pronounce it in different pronunciation, in different tone, then we actually it has different meaning. Okay, so this one, yeah, you need to like be careful with the tone. Okay, ma 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 ma. So this one, different tone have different meaning. Okay, so it's the meaning. So this one is ma ma is like mother. So like mama will be mother, and then ma is like numb or tingling. And then this one ma is the horse, and then ma is goat. Okay, so this one is the part that we need to like write. Okay, so for example, this one, how are we going to mark on the tone? Okay, which finals we should mark on. So like for example, so this one we will follow to the the follow to this order. Okay, so whenever we have A, we always mark on A. So what are the four tones over here? So which is like this one. The first tone will be high and flat, and then the second one is like going up. Third one goes down, and then it goes up, and then the fourth one will like going down. Okay, so these are the four tones. Okay, so let us try. Okay, so for example, this one, if, okay, so let us try with how to pronounce this one.
Yao.
This one is right, xiao,
Chao.
and then yeah, xiao is the like the no tone one. So how to like add the third tone? Add the third tone will be xiao, right? So xiao. Okay, so xiao, and then so this one, when we write here, so what should we write? The third tone, right? So we should write this one. So yeah, this one, we should write this one. And then which vowels, which finals we should mark on. I can type it in the chat box. Yeah. What is the finals that we should mark on? If it is xiao, is a third tone. So do you understand this? If you don't understand, you can tell me, then I will explain. Yes, very good. Very good. Which is we should mark on A. If whenever we see A, we should mark on A. So this one, okay? This one. So we follow to this one. Whenever we see A, then we mark on A only. When we don't have A, like sure, then we mark on E. And this one is the only finals that we have. Okay, so for this one is cho, right? And then this one is the fourth tone, so will be cho. Okay, so for cho, so which final we should mark? Yes, correct. O, correct. So the fourth tone will be like this one, okay? So this one we should mark on O, right? Okay, and then there's only an exception, which is this. Okay, which is this one, IU. This one, how to pronounce this again? Do you still remember?
Chu.
This one is you, you, right? So this one is you. This one just only the exception. The rest we can just follow this one. And then for IU, only for IU, because IU is the short form for this one. Okay, so this one we will mark on U instead of the I. Okay, so this one, yeah, this one is. Okay, so how to pronounce this one?
Jiu.
Yeah. Very good. Jiu, jiu. Okay, if jiu will become, okay, the second tone. Jiu, this one is jiu, this one is jiu. Okay. Okay, so let us try to pronounce this one. The first one, this one.
Ji.
Still remember what is this one? How to pronounce Z? Is the
Ji.
like the tip of our tongue. So this one will be
Ji.
自己 Okay. Okay, so let us try to read it together. 自己
自己
Very good. 自己 And then this one. 三次
三次
Very good. 三次 And then this one.
四
Very good. 四 Very good. 四 Okay. And then with the 知吃诗 let us try. This one. I know. 我知道
我知道
Very good. This one. 吃饭
吃饭
Very good. Then this one. 我是老师
我是老师
Okay, so actually this one, 我 is I, and then this one 是 is like this one 是 is like am, and then this one can be like other la or ear la. So this one will be like to
Can
be.
you repeat the syllabus again?
Which one?
Repeat the syllabus again.
Okay.
Start from the first.
so start from this 我知道 or start from this.
Yeah, yeah.
So this
First.
one is the first is 我知
我
道
我知道
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 Okay, so this one D is like not like I need to pronounce this D like softer without like looking like without pronounce it like the T. So this one will be like 我知道
我知道
Tao will more like T. So you don't want to do the T sound.
我知道
Very good. Correct. 道 Okay, and then this one 吃饭
吃饭
Okay, good. And then this one, 我是老师。
老师
我是
老
老
师
师。Okay, so here 我 is I, and then 是 is like ear la or other la, and then 老师 is the teacher. So like, so remember that you can call me Zoe, and then 老师
老师
Zoe 老师 or you can call my surname which is Fu, and then 老师。
老师
So this one is like for English, we always put the like teacher Zoe, right? But in Mandarin, we always put the surname first or the name first. Only we put the title or occupation. Okay, so this one we put the name first, and then only 老师. Okay. 好的 Thank you. Okay, this one. Let us try with this one.
日
Very good. 日 Very good. It's not 日 Okay, 日 and then this one.
热
热 This one is like more like the E sound. This one is E. No, this one is So this one is 日 and then this one is 热 Okay, so let us try with to do this. Okay, to this quiz. Okay, so listen up. Listen. Okay, what I'm making. What is the sound that? What is the tone that I'm making? What is the pinyin? So this one will be 这次. Okay, so if your answer is 2, then you type 2 in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay, I will read this again. Okay, 这次.
Number third.
Number third.
Yeah. 0
So we don't have like okay, 这次 okay, 这 so 这 we like roll the tongue up. So this one, yeah, so this one will be this one. 这次 very good. Yeah, I think all correct. Yeah, good. Okay, so the first one will be okay. This one, oh sorry. Okay, and then this one vocabulary will be 生字生字. I think this one you saw the answer. Okay, so this answer will be the first one, which is the left one. Yeah, 生字.
生字
And then the okay for the student will be 学生.
学生
学生.学生. Right, which is this one, which is number 2. This one, 学生. Okay, I hope you get all correct. Okay, thank you. Okay, and then this one is something that we need to remember. We need to remember. Okay, so for example, this one.
你好
Okay, correct. Very good. 你好. So 你好 actually is like 你 and 好. But this one will be very difficult to pronounce. So this one, whenever we see like we have like 2 third tone together, then the first one we will change it to the second tone. So 你好 we change to 你好.
你好
Okay, good. And then this one 可 and 以 we change to
可 and 以
very good. 可以很好很好. Okay, this one.
很好
Okay, yeah. So remember this one is 恩. So this one is 很好. Okay, very good. Okay, then we have something.
meaning for the 你好 miss
Sorry, meaning
the
So
meaning
你
of
好
你好?
is like hello.
hello
So yeah, correct.
The
So actually 你 is you and then 好 is good. So it's like
okay
hello. Okay. The second one 可以 is can. Yeah,
Can
correct.
you
你好嘛.
你呢
Okay, 可以 is like can. 可以
Can.
可以 can. Okay. Yeah. So just now, Viroshan like asking, like saying 你好嘛. Okay. So this one 你好
你好
is like hello, right? And then when we see this, when you see this ma is actually like asking a question. So what do you
How-
think 你好嘛 is?
how are you
How are you?
How are you? Very good. Okay. How are you? So if you want to say I am fine. So yeah, this ma is like asking a question. Okay. So it's like I'm fine will be 我很好. So how to spell 我很好? So can you try to type it in the chat box? So if you cannot type the tone right, so you try like for example, 我 is third tone right, then you write 3. So yeah. So how to say 我很好? How to type it?
我很好
Okay. Good try. 我很好. Okay, good try. Yeah, 很好. Okay, so I think Izanti will be like the most standard answer. Correct, very good. Okay, 我很好. Think Sasha also. Yeah. 我很好. So if we have like this one will more like wo. Okay, and then and then 好 is we have the H. Okay, so this one is like 你好吗 and then 我很好. Okay, and then this one, so this one is the 很好. Okay, it's like very good. 很 is very, and then 好 is good. Okay, so it's like 你好吗我很好. Okay, so this one something we call it as neutral tone, which is we don't have the tone. Like okay, and then this one the neutral tone we like pronounce it in like very soft and very short voice. This one we will know. Okay, like for example, this one. So how to pronounce this one?
孩子
Very good. 孩子. So the z will be like soft and very short. 孩子. Okay, 孩子. So this one is the neutral tone. So what is 孩子? 孩子 is actually like child. Okay, 孩子 is child. Okay, so let us, like you are still here, right? So let us try with the tones. Okay, so this one. Today is
今天
okay, 今天 very good. And then this one,
明天
very good. 明天 is tomorrow. This one,
喜欢
okay, 喜欢. This one,
看书
看书 very good.
which one
This one, sorry, this one.
中国
中国 this one.
경기
This one, X, X, how to pronounce X is like this one. So it like falls above. So this one will be 学习.
学习
学习. And this one,
起床
very good. 起床. This one,
问题
this one, let us try again. This one, 问题.
问题
问题. Okay, this one,
冰
冰
水
水
very good. 冰水. This one,
没有
very good. This one, this one 没有 correct. This one,
你好
你
你好你好
好 very good. This one,
电影
correct. This one, movie, the movie.
电影 I'm just trying 吧
电影 very good. I think I have
电影
good. Okay, this one, no.
祈祷
So no will be
祈祷
知道
祈
cannot
祷
be 知道 because 知 will be 知道 okay 知道 okay, and then this one
容易
okay 容易 good. This one
炒
烧
饭
饭
炒饭 this one
再见
this one we need to this one we need to memorize for today, and then this one also. Okay,
谢谢
再见 and 谢谢. Okay, this one
谢谢
真的 okay. So this one is the like the neutral tone 真的. And then this one 什么
什么
okay, this one 我的
我的
then 谢谢.
谢谢
Okay, good. Okay, so this one is like the capital letters in Pinyin. So this one is like for the kata nama khas, then we'll put this one, the capital letters like Beijing, 美国, then this one. How to pronounce this one?
不起
我是马来西亚人
Very good. 我是马来西亚人. Okay, this one you cannot this one cannot be she because she will be like more like accent. So this one is 是. Okay, 我是马来西亚人. Okay, so we already complete this one. Pinyin. So do you have any question for this Pinyin class? For the first class? This one will like require you to do a lot of
Teacher,
practices. Yes.
teacher, can I see the last slide,
This
I
one?
mean, this one, yeah.
This one,
Yeah. The Zonghua, is it the second tone? Zonghua, is that China or China?
China. Okay, so China will be 中国.
That means
China,
China means a country name, right? So is it Zonghua? I mean, like, is that Mandarin can change a country name also?
can you sorry, can you
Explain.
I mean like can you like repeat your question?
Okay, I mean, like, okay, China is a country name, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that Zonghua is still the country name, right?
Yeah.
But how come it can be different? I mean, if in Malay, we say China if we say China in Malay, that means Malay also it's called China, right? So how come the country name can change in Mandarin?
Oh. Oh, okay. So this one, this one will be because 中国 has the meaning. This one is the Chinese character. So this one is actually we have this 中国 first. Only we translate it as China. So why is it China? Because I think that China is something related with the porcelain. They like use it to for the business China. So they
So
have
that
中国
means
first.
so the first real name of China is Zonghua.
中国. Okay, and
Okay.
then this one 中国 is different from like China, like the Chinese. Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. So yeah, so do you have any this one I will send this slide to you so like don't have to be worried, and then I will send you a link, and then I will also promote an app for you if you cannot like catch up, so you can try to find it in the Google Play Store or the iPhone apps, the iOS. Yeah, so it will be like Pleco. So this one you can try to find it. Is a blue color thing, and then we has a like something the Chinese character with this one. This one is the Pleco. This one it can help you to like if you need to do some translation, if you don't understand the vocabs, and if sometimes you cannot like you need to do the pronunciation practice, you can also like refer to this one. We call it Pleco. Okay, so do you have any problem? I mean question for today's class?
So far, no.
No. Okay, so this one today will more like emphasize on. Yeah, thank you, Roshan. Okay, so this one today we like more talking about how are we going to pronounce, and then the second class we like talking about okay how to write the Chinese character, and then start from the the third class we'll try to have like how to greet people, okay. So before we end, so let us try to have a quiz. Okay, how to type 他 in Mandarin 他
AI.
他 first term very good. Yeah, so AI will be I. Okay. Okay. The second one 再见. 再见. Okay, good try. This one okay, Nadia's okay, very good. 再见. Okay, so this one 再见 will be like 知爱在 right? 知 will be Z, and then I will be AI, then the fourth term, and then 见 G, and then an. Okay, 见. So what is the meaning for 再见?
Goodbye.
See you again. Actually, it's see you again. See you again. Okay, and then the next one will be 晚安. 晚安. Very good. Good try. Okay, 晚安. This one en will be like en. Okay, so this one 晚安. So what's the tone for 晚安 will be 晚安. Okay, one. Okay, so if it is fourth tone, then will be one. Okay, 晚安. So this one will be the third tone, and then an. So do you know what is the 晚安?
Good night.
Good night. Yeah, good night. Okay, 晚安. Actually it's the same, but this one, okay, one W as the initial, and then this one will be as the final. It's the same thing. But if you want to write it, then you need to write the W. If like in, so this one, if it is like we still have another initial. We still have another initial. Then this one we cannot use. We cannot write as this one. We cannot write as this one. We only can write as this one. Okay. The pronunciation is the same. Just how, when we write it, yeah, will be different. Okay. And then yep. So 我是傅老师 and then 晚安大家. Okay. This one. I think we don't have this. I think we don't have this. This one. I think we don't have this one. This one is. I think we don't have this one. Yeah, I can refer to this one. Yeah. So yeah, I refer to this one. So I think we don't have with start with E. So this one is the finals and this one is the initial. Okay, so do you have any question? Like the other question? If no, then I will say 再见 and then 晚安 and then see you next week. Okay.
再见，
再见，谢谢大家，晚
谢谢
安。
老师。
Okay, good night, everyone.
谢谢老师。
Okay, goodbye. Okay, bye. We are most welcome. Bye.